How to post traveling status on Facebook. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First, you just have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your Facebook application. Go to your profile, and then here you have to scroll down and locate what's on my mind. Now you just have to simply tap this blank right here or tap what's on your mind. And you have to scroll down till you see this filling slash activity. Tap this one, click this one here, and then you have to click activities. Here under activities, you will see this option traveling to. You have to tap that one, and then you can now search or type the location or the country of where you're going to travel. Okay, for example, you are heading to Delhi, India. So tap this one or search that one. Now you can change that. All you have to do is to click this check in and you can search another country, another location again. Okay, so that's how easy it is. You just have to tap your country and you will see here the status that you are traveling to this location or country. As easy as that. Once done, what you're going to do is to click post and people will see that you are now traveling to Delhi, India. Okay, so that's how to post traveling status on Facebook. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.